How to make full screen TikTok video. So the very first thing you should know that you cannot directly make the full screen video on TikTok. You need to use one alternative application which is called Capcut. Install this application on your device, and once it has been installed, open it. In here, tap on New Project. It will open up your gallery. Select one of the videos that you want to make it full screen. Once you have selected, it will be uploaded here. Now first of all, what you want to do is, at the bottom, swipe left and you will see the option where it says aspect ratio. Tap on it. In here you have to select 9:16 ratio, which is the ratio of TikTok. Once you have selected, now what you want to do is simply zoom in the video and adjust it as per your need. You have to zoom in until the video is full screen. There you go, you can see that the video has been changed into full screen. Likewise, you can make the full screen of any of the video that you want to. Tap on the save icon at the top right corner and save this video into your gallery. After that, you have to move into your TikTok application, and then you can upload this video from your gallery. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make full screen TikTok video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.